I'm going to be showing you how to replace the hot spring control panel. For this you're going to need some long nose pliers and a Phillips screwdriver. First thing you have to do is to remove the clear plastic strip that illuminates blue. You've got to be really careful with this because it's quite fragile. You can get hold of the little clips, squeeze it open and the cover comes away. Then behind where you just removed that cover there are two screws. You undo those. You then reach behind the control panel and it just pops out like so. What we can then do is unplug the control panel from inside the box, obviously making sure that the power is switched off. So locate the control panel on the top right hand corner. And then disconnect it from the spar. But you then have 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have the dome light, disconnect that, and then the panel comes away from the bezel. To then reinstall, just reverse the process. Try not to over tighten the control panel, because otherwise the buttons won't be as responsive. Reconnect your light. Put the cover back on. And that's sat back in there. You can then screw it back in. install the plastic cover. We're then going to connect the end to the control box. Put the cover back on. And you're good to switch the power back on, and that's the control panel installed.